And so this is everything that it'll be over, okay? It'll be about half the amount of questions, so I don't know how many's on here, 22, so it'll probably be around 11. And so if we look at the first one, is this standard or vertex form?
Vertex. Standard.
Standard form, okay? How can you tell the difference between the two?
No parentheses.
No parentheses, okay? Vertex form has parentheses, standard form has no parentheses. And so we need to find the vertex. What's the formula to find the vertex?
Minus B.
Minus B.
And then the 2 parentheses A.
Yeah. Okay, so we got negative. Our B is negative 24 over 2, and our A is 3. Rodney, get a calculator. You don't need one.
Now write it down.
What is this?
You don't need no calculator.
Yes, sir.
Is the ABC system the same for
Yes.
these two?
But it's not the same type of problem. So ABCs are for quadratics. So they're all quadratics. If they have a squared anywhere, it's quadratic. So what do you get for your first number?
4,
4, and then we pick 2 more. What are they?
5, and 6.
5 and 6.
Good job, Reese.
Okay, and so now we can plug this in to up here, and this is what it should look like. Okay, so it should be 3, 4 squared minus 24, and I'm sorry, my thing doesn't go that small. Minus 24, and we have another x, so we're plugging in 4 plus 50. Okay, I'm well aware that you cannot see that. Okay.
2.
Negative 6.
You got no 2.
It's 2.
2, boy.
24. And then, well, erase this 24. I don't know what the heck you're doing. Erase another parentheses for it. Check a bunch of stuff. There you go. Okay, so you got 2. What did you get for the 5?
5.
2, 5, 14? Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay. And so we can graph. So 4, 2, 5, 5, and 6, 14. Okay, what is the vertex?
4 and 2.
4, 2. Axis of symmetry.
X equals 4.
X-intercepts. None. Y-intercepts.
None.
Min or max?
Min.
Description.
None. I mean, no.
Up to.
Up to.
Over 4.
Not over, Robbie.
4.
Right 4.
Right 4. Anything else?
Why can't I say over?
The slope of 3.
Slope is 3.
Huh?
Which way you going?
Other.
Right.
That's why you can't say over.
Oh, so you're not gonna know which way I'm trying to say?
Yeah, you can't just give somebody direction and be like, oh, turn up there. How am I supposed to get to your house? Which way do you want me to turn? Okay, so we need to say direction. Okay, and then it has a slope of 3, so make sure that you put slope 3. Okay, number 3, what is the vertex? Well, is this vertex or standard form?
Vertex.
It's vertex form. See the parentheses? If you look at number 1, there was no parentheses. This one has parentheses. And so we can just pick out the vertex.
-3, -3.
So here's our x part, and we do the opposite, and this is our y. So our vertex is going to be -3, -3. The y we keep the same. Okay, so you can fill that in down here. -3, -3. Okay, so we can go to -3, -3. Does this graph open up or down?
No.
Open up.
It opens up. How can you tell that it opens up?
Because it's downwards. The dot is
That is a good point, but how can you tell other than that?
So you already got your vertex and it's 29?
No. How else can you tell that it opens down?
It doesn't have a negative.
It doesn't have a negative out front. So right here, there would be a negative, right? If it's supposed to open down, okay? And so this one does not. What is the slope for this one?
There is no slope.
1 over 1.
Yeah, so there's no slope. So in all reality, we just go up 1 over 1, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, what's our axis of symmetry?
Negative.
X equals -3. X intercepts.
Negative 1.5.
Negative what?
1.5.
Oh, 1.5.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.5. Okay, Y intercepts. None.
Min.
It's got a min. Description.
Down 3.
Down
Left
3.
3.
Left 3. Does it have a slope?
No.
And does it open up or down?
Up.
It opens up. If
We
you want
have
to
to
put
fill.
opens up, you can. You don't have to.
We only put open up when it starts no slope.
You only put it opens down ever.
Yeah.
Opens up is a given. So like, I don't know. It's like
I get you saying.
I don't know how to explain it other than sounding like mean, but. Okay, 5 is the standard or vertex form.
Standard.
Standard form, how can you tell?
Because there's no parentheses.
There's no parentheses, and so we need to use the formula. What is it?
Negative B
Negative b
over 2A.
over 2a. That's how we find the first part of the vertex. So I got negative, what's our b?
8.
8 over 2, and what's my a?
1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Why is it negative?
It was just a negative.
Oh,
Okay, plug that in your calculator, see what you get.
4.
4, good. And then we pick 2 more numbers. What should we pick? 5, 6, good. And then now we're ready to plug in. Okay, so everywhere there's an X here, you're plugging in 4. And we go back through and erase them and plug in 5s and plug in 6s.
That's how you can find the second numbers?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you got calculators there or no?
What?
Let me show you how to
Okay, I'm happy.
actually find it. So you just kind of follow along with this. So you're going to negative. Everywhere there's an X, we're using parentheses. So parentheses, and we do the 4s first. Squared.
Trey, what'd you get?
8. I got negative 1, negative 2, negative 5.
8, yep, and then you're
Thank you.
4.
Just leave it at.
So you can put negative 1, and then go back through here, and you can just hit this back arrow, and change them to 5s, and then change them to 6s. My bad. Okay, what'd you get for 4?
Negative 4. Negative 1.
Negative 1, 5,
Negative 2. Negative 2.
6,
Negative 5.
negative 5.
Yep.
Okay, and so we got 4, negative 1, 5, negative 2, 6, negative 5. Okay, we can copy those over. Okay, the vertex.
4, negative 1.
4, negative 1. Axis of symmetry.
4.
No.
X equals 4.
X equals 4. X intercept.
None.
None. Y intercept.
None.
None.
Min or max?
Max.
Max description.
Down 1, right 4.
Opens down.
Down 1, right 4.
Okay, 2 right.
Opens down.